Yo, welcome back to For the Love of the Craft, where we talk about tools that help you be more efficient on a job site with an honest review without all of the tech specs of that product. Where we talk about practical use, new entries to the field, and how they hold up to your expectations as well as mine, regardless of what the manufacturer says. But today, we're not going to talk about a tool. We're going to talk about a storage system, a late entry to the ball game, but a worthy adversary indeed. And that adversary is Flex. Their pack out system, they don't call a pack out system. They actually call it the Stack Pack. Haven't seen it before? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Let's take a look. I just got this in from Home Depot today. Took it out that big box that wasn't packed very well, for safety wise anyways. Keeping everything from getting dinged around, but it made it here safe nonetheless. This is the Flex Stack Pack. Key features here to save you time. The thing that stands out the most to me is number one, these wheels aren't plastic. They're rubber, 10-inch wheels. So they're not gonna explode when being rammed down stairs or run down stairs. They're all terrain, so they're gonna make it over plenty of different terrains. Snow, sand, dirt, mud. It's gonna make it off good. The other feature that stands out to me is how you can now remove this handle, and it's very easy. So, let me position this camera. See those green tabs there? Reach around to the back side. Push, and the button to release. Push it down, hold it down. Handle comes right out. That's what it looks like with the handle removed. Now, to put this back in, do the same. Push the handle release button down, push it down in all the way, let it go, re-engage those locks, and you're all set to go. It will not come out. Something else that stands out to me is this button doesn't get stuck. Heavy duty quality button. Name tag, or whatever kind of tag you want it to be. I believe this pops out with a flat head, and you could put whatever you want in there to identify your box. Now let's open this thing up. What? Ooh. Yo. Ooh. Did you hear that? Ooh. Gas struts. Check that out. That's incredible. Pamphlet showing some more. Okay, they got a line coming out. Definitely gonna add to this system. This tray, just like Milwaukee's. I know that their system is made to stack boxes on there from the other videos that I've watched online. So if you want to see more of that, you can go around the internet. There's plenty of videos with that, I believe. But this is kind of important to me because with my Milwaukee pack rolling pack out, this tray fell out and busted in the inside of the box because it didn't have a way to lock it into place or to have it slide into place where it does it. It's not going to get jostled around when you're moving it. This does. Here and here. But as you can see, you cannot easily move it around. It works on either side. That is lovely. I like that. Let's see. Locked into place. Perfect. Oh, that lid feels high quality. These are latches for smaller boxes that I've seen. I watch quite a bit of videos online before I actually pull the trigger on this thing, so you guys will probably have to do the same. But yes, this is a well thought out roll and pack out. Yes, you're gonna have to get rid of the Milwaukee pack out system if you want to sell it for the money. It's around the same price, but this build quality is excellent, and the modifications from what I've seen are top notch. So check that out. I'll let you guys know how it goes on the job site as I go, and I'll try to make more videos when I get a chance to. Between work and school and everything, it's a little bit tough, but I think this is worth the money. It's about 140 bucks. And you can get it at your local Lowe's. All right. Thanks everybody for coming out. And this is For the Love of the Craft.